So it's now official. Former Spanish Football Federation President Luis Rubiales has been banned from football for 3 years by the world governing body FIFA. This, of course, after the most infamous kiss in the history of football and perhaps in all of sports. Interestingly, the specific disciplinary code that was breached by Rubiales speaks to offensive behavior and a violation of fair play. And strangely enough, in the moment and in the immediate aftermath of the kiss, the young lady never looked concerned. In the team bus, she played around and even boasted about the kiss with her teammates, laughing and cheering, even as the president himself walked inside the bus. But something happened, and just like that, some days later, the player became offended as the smack on the lips in the height of a historic World Cup victory celebration was deemed offensive and illegal, as the former president is now banished for 3 years for one single kiss on the lips. It is what it is. You see, it's the world in 2023.